Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today you join me with an unboxing of this Hornby Rolling Road. I actually got this thing right before Christmas, but I did do an unboxing of it, but unfortunately I lost footage of that with the new cameras, so I'm gonna have to film the unboxing again, unfortunately. And this has been sitting in the box for a few weeks now, and I was trying to think, oh, should I do it? Should I not do it? Because, like, well, you know, what's going on with everything. But yeah, now today I'm going to do it, and it's about time I use this thing again. So, yeah, let's take it out of the box. Let's see. What's this end here? There we go. Yeah, like I said, it's been in here for a few weeks now. If I can get it out, I'll be happy. Can I? There it goes. There it goes. Okay. Just that. Inside this. And there it is. So, how this thing works is that you put an engine on here, and basically it pretty much moves without going anywhere, if that makes any sense. Right now I have 6 of these. You can order an extra pair if you have engines with 8 driving wheels, or maybe if you have the British Railways Evening Star, or the 9F in fact, you can have 10 of them. For American stuff, it's not going to be easy because I did try it and they're just so big. Anyways, I'm gonna get my desk cleared off and I will put this thing on my desk and we will see an engine perform on it. Alright, sorry if the shot might get you know, poor and all that, so I will do my best. So yeah, anyways, I have the Bachmann Easy Command controller set up, even though I don't like the controller, but I still use it anyway. What I did before, when I got this, I snipped this thing off to where it goes to the, you know, these things where it goes to the Bachmann terminal rerailer, and I ended up with something like this. Let me try and get that in focus. There we go. These really thin copper wires. If you have a standard Hornby controller, they would go in these things right here very easily, but since I have a Bachmann Easy Command controller, I can't do that. Let's see if I can get that in shot by the way. Hopefully it'll be a miracle if I do this on camera. Nope. Yeah, it's a bit difficult. Okay, I'll try and get that in. Alright, there's one in. There's the other end. Yeah, they're nice and tucked. Alright. Now, let's get an engine onto this. Now, like I said, this only works with British engines, I would say, but yeah. Okay. Now I need to adjust this. Yep, this is fun. Adjusting. Really fun. Okay, that should do it. Now to get this on right. Alright, hopefully it's on right. Now adjust the camera so where you can see it properly. And there we go. Let's get it started. I don't think it matters which direction it goes, does it? It's going backwards, okay. And check it out. Doesn't help, does it? Hang on. Wait, yeah, it does. It helps right there. It works. It really works. So yeah, that is the Hornby Rolling Road. It's a really cool thing. I have always wanted one of these for a while, and hey, I finally got one. I actually bought this off Amazon, believe it or not. It's a pretty unique thing. Let me take the camera off the tripod, maybe show you around. It is a neat little thing. I love this thing. I love it a lot. I really do love it. Yes, I know what you're thinking. Let's put an American engine on it. Ignore that. That's the washing machine downstairs. I'll have to live with it. Yeah, as you can see, it might be too big. I think I adjusted all that wrong. Alright, I got it. All right, now let's see if it'll run. And it does. It indeed runs. Here's to give you proof. Some USA engines can run on the rolling road, but bear in mind, not all of them will fit, because like a J-Class, for example, I bet you that thing will not fit on here. So I'll have to get a different rolling road for that. So yeah, and that's the Hornby rolling road. It's a really cool thing. I absolutely love this. This truck is out of place. There we go. Really cool thing. Yes, the Hornby rolling road. So pretty much, if you send an engine up high speed, it will stay in the same place. It's a really cool tool. Wait, you don't believe me? Okay, let's take it up to high speed then. So right now the controller is on almost halfway. So let's turn it up a little bit. Speeding up now. I can even make it go faster. Still not moving anywhere, even though the wheels are turning very fast. And go faster. Did I mention I can make it go faster? How about we turn it up full blast? That is full blast. Look how fast it's going. Look at that. So yeah guys, that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care everybody.